Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my annual what I got for my birthday video, and I'm actually filming this video quite late this year. It has been a few weeks already since my birthday passed. It's not even my birthday month anymore. That's how late I'm filming this video. So these aren't, well, most of them aren't going to be true unboxings. I have opened most of the stuff already, even used some of them, but I still wanted to share these items with you guys. I do really love watching what I got for my birthday videos in general, so I hope you guys enjoy this. And let's start with the dress that I purchased to wear on my actual birthday. So there is kind of like a somewhat funny story behind this dress. So here is the dress. It's from Self Portrait. It has these two like bow details here, and there is kind of like a slit here, but it's not like too short. So this dress is so gorgeous, and you know the Barbie movie is coming out in a few weeks, and this is kind of like perfect for Barbie summer. So yeah, that's part of the reason why I got this. I am very into pink right now, as you'll see with another item that I will show you guys in a little bit. So I purchased this dress, and when it came in, I basically just like tried it on for size, but this belt was actually packaged in kind of like a little Ziploc bag. So I just checked to see that the belt was there, and it was. So I was like, okay, you know, it must fit. It turns out that this little belt is like about 2 to 3 inches too short for the dress. So as you can imagine, I went to wear this on my birthday. I was a little bit in a rush because we had to get to our reservation, and then I was like trying to have my husband hook it on for me like at the back, and he was like laughing. He was like, "This does not fit you." And I was like, "What are you talking about? It doesn't fit." I was like, "The dress fits. How could this not fit?" So basically, I'll show a picture up here from my Instagram. I basically ended up wearing this dress without this attached belt. It's a shame. I think it would have looked so much nicer if I had been able to wear the belt, you know, for my birthday. Anyways, still a really pretty dress. So I guess next, let me show you guys the other item that is also pink. So it is from Longchamp. And this is my first time buying something from Longchamp that is not, you know, one of those foldable totes. I've had and have like so many of those totes. Those are definitely amazing, but I haven't ever, you know, ventured out into their other styles until I saw this one. Anyway, so I purchased this directly from Longchamp, and they had specifically said during the checkout process that since this was, you know, a sale item, it wasn't going to come with all of the packaging. So I was very surprised when I opened up the shipping box, and there was actually a box in there with the item. And yeah, I think the presentation is actually really great. So this item I actually have used already, but I just wanted to like put it back in here because, you know, I think it's packaged so nicely. Inside I didn't really put it back together all that much, but here is the bag. So it is actually a canvas bag, but it's kind of made to kind of resemble like a straw material. And I actually prefer this much more than getting a straw bag. It's like so much more flexible, and you know, like it's not soft, but you know, it's softer than straw is. And I just think this is so pretty. So they do have this bag in like some neutral colors. I know they have like a brown one that is, I guess, a little bit more classic, and this is more of a seasonal one. They also have a green version and also a yellow version, but I went for the pink one because, you know, Barbie summer. And this I've actually used a few times already. So this is like such an easy bag to just like grab and go if you're like heading out to, for example, I've been using this when like I'm just heading out for dinner really quickly. I just grab it and it's like perfect. You can throw so many things in here without it getting full. Let me show you guys the inside. So it's just it's not lined, so it's just like the other side of like the canvas on the inside, and it's white, so not quite, you know, so easy to keep clean. And then it comes with this shoulder strap that isn't adjustable. Honestly, I don't really use that, but I like how the way that you attach the shoulder strap, there are these kind of concealed D-rings behind the handle. I just think it's like really nice how it attaches instead of like some bags have it like on the two sides like this. Not quite a big fan of that. I like how it's concealed, so because I don't use it, you don't see these extra like D-rings hanging anywhere. Definitely highly recommend this bag. It is so useful, so easy to use, especially in the summer. This is great. Let's see, what do I want to open next? Let's actually open something that I actually don't know what it is. So my sales associate from Cleef Arpels actually sent over like a package with like a little bit of a birthday present inside. I'm pretty sure this is a candle. It is a candle. So it's called Rose Rouge. So if my French is correct, this means red rose, I guess. It smells really good already, even without opening the box. Let's see what it looks like. So it is the simple black jar. I'm not even sure if you could really read it because it's so glossy. This smells so good. I think I actually like this more than the Diptyque Rose candle scent. So yes, so excited to burn this. Not in the summer though, because it is crazy hot. Let's see. Okay, so I have two more items. These are kind of like the bigger ticket items. One's from Chanel and one's from Fendi. So I'm gonna start with the Chanel one first. And I kind of hinted at this already in my most recent video, or actually I might have hinted at most of this stuff in that video. But anyways, this is going to be a piece of costume jewelry, and it is from the 23S collection. I think it came like a little bit late, so that's why, you know, the 23A collection is out already, but you know, I just recently got my hands on this. So so many layers of packaging. So anyways, here it is. It is this brooch that is basically like their eyeshadow palettes, which I don't own any of their eyeshadow palettes, but this is just super adorable. That's what it looks like. It won't stop shaking. There you go. That's what it looks like. So adorable, and it's quite weighty, honestly. This is, I think it's pretty good quality, right? It's so cute. So it has the CC logo as well as the number 5 in crystals, and then there's like another few colors for their eyeshadow. It even has that little kind of cheapy eyeshadow sponge on the side. The attention to detail is pretty amazing on this. Super adorable. Really, really, really love this. Okay, and then the last item is from Fendi. So I think it was about a little bit over a year ago when the Fendi collection comes out. By the way, oh my gosh, every time I think about this, in that video I kept pronouncing it Fendi, and that will haunt me forever. Anyways, the Fendi collection, I did buy this mini baguette from that collection, but there was like chipping all over the hardware, and I just couldn't accept that, so I ended up returning it. And that size of bag I think is really great. I think it's like the perfect size for me. So I've been kind of thinking about it since then, but the Fendi mini baguette is actually designed a little bit different from the usual mini baguettes at Fendi. So because of that, I was like, well, I really want that longer strap that they had on that one, because you could wear it over your shoulder, while this one you actually can't. So obviously I gave it away. It's a mini baguette. So yeah, so their usual mini baguettes, you actually can't wear it over your shoulder with that like little top handle. It's too short. So I was kind of like, do I want like a regular size baguette instead? So I was like thinking about getting that. And basically I decided to try out the Coach Tabby. I think it's Coach Tabby 26, I think it is. I decided to buy that and see what I thought about that size first, because that Coach bag is basically like a dupe of the Fendi baguette. And then I bought it and it was like really bulky on me. So I was like, maybe not. The baguette is, the medium baguette is like a little bit different because the Coach Tabby has this kind of like accordion feature to it. So I think the baguette would be a little less bulky, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna go for the mini baguette. So I decided to get this one. By the way, Fendi has this whole like astrology collection right now that I believe this one is a part of, and it's just so gorgeous. I'm not even like big on horoscopes or astrology or anything of that sort, but I still think the collection is so pretty. But yeah, at the end I decided to just go for something a little bit more plain with this denim mini baguette. And this color of denim is just so pretty. I've been thinking about getting a denim bag for a while now. I did consider the one from Bottega. So they have their mini Jody in this denim. It's not even a fabric. It's actually leather that's made to look like denim. But that bag is just not very user-friendly, I guess I would say. And I also think that this color of denim is prettier and easier to match. So I decided to go with this one, and it's just so cute. The size of it is so perfect. And then it does come with two straps. So it has the short one as kind of like, it's really only handheld. You can't really wear this over your shoulder. So this strap, I'm honestly probably not really going to be using it, but let me just show you guys what this looks like. So this is what that looks like with this strap. And then why I decided, okay, I'm still going to get the mini baguette even though it doesn't have that shoulder carry option, is I was actually at the store looking at these mini baguettes quite a while back, and the sales associate that was helping me that day actually showed me like so many different ways you can use the strap. So what's really interesting about this, and I don't know why most brands don't do this, but this entire kind of like chain can get looped through the D-rings on the side. So you can like loop this through, and over here where the like leather part of the strap is, you can hook this thing through there, and then you could basically make this somewhat of a shoulder bag. It'll be more apparent once I put this together for you guys. So see, like something like this is kind of like a shoulder bag. There are many different ways you can attach this and make it like different lengths and whatnot, but I just thought this is actually quite versatile. Of course, you can have this like hooked on normally, I guess, and wear it like crossbody or kind of like by your hips if you wanted to, but there's just so many ways that you could like change this up to carry it at whatever length you want to. I guess, no, you can't do this. Or can you? Oh, you can. This is interesting. This is slightly longer. You could even do this and it's like just a slight bit longer than using this strap. So many different ways you can like play around with this. I haven't used this bag yet. The tags are still right here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit more, but like this, yeah, it works as a shoulder bag. It's a little bit tight. Can't do this in the winter with like sweaters and stuff, but like in the summer, yeah, this totally works as a shoulder bag. Oh my gosh. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised at that. So there's like so many ways you can like attach the strap. Love how they designed it. And let me just show you guys the inside of this. It is that same kind of like denim fabric on the inside. You just don't get that like FF logo all over it. And then you have 1, 2, 3 little credit card slots right here. And yeah, basically that's about it. So this is everything I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of all of the stuff that I unboxed for you guys today. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week on luxury and fashion. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.